Oh yeah, this is just a short one. Got these stick-on transfers for the tyres. I did order some other type ones there, but they stick out too much, like they're proper 3D, and I don't want that. But yeah, so bought this cheap kit. It's for cars really, but I thought mess about. Needed some 100% pure acetone, so Glitzy Girl gets it, or girl, weird. So that's some cleaner for afterwards, like, you know, for later on down the road. But this is supposed to be the best glue here, so it's like super glue for rubber. But yes, I had to use this acetone for the back of the sticker, and I'm going to put it on this fat bike tyre. This is just purely a mess about, just to see if you can do it. So all you guys out there, or gals, will be able to see whether you can do it or not. But I'm not too worried about if I mess it up, because I do intend changing these tyres for my golden tyre that I've got off of my old Norco. So yeah, so this is just a little play really. Anyway, I'll stick one on and then I'll come back. So there you go, it's stuck on. The big reveal. Oh dear. I think there's another skin to come off of some of that, because as you can see, a few of these letters are not white like these M ones, because these feel rubbery. They don't, they feel like they got another skin on them, so I'll have to work out how to get that off. But it actually doesn't look too bad. Try and get in closer. You can see some of the glue there, look, but it's actually stuck to the tyre. I'm quite shocked it worked. A few bits of messy bits like this, but you know, that's zoomed right in. You can't see it with the naked eye. It's only because I got my camera right up to it. So from a distance, look. The only downer is I've only got 4 of these stickers this size, because it would have been nice to put one down at the bottom there as well, facing inwards, and 2 on the other sides obviously. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Let's try another one. What do you think it looks like now? I just took the rest of them bits off, look, and now it's whiter. But yeah, so it's not a bright white, it's like an old English white sort of colour. You know, you've got to be like old English to know what I mean. But yeah, I'm quite impressed at the minute. So here you go. Here's the other side done now. And as you can see from a distance, it does look pretty good. They're definitely 3D. I'll try and get an angle of it so you can sort of see. They actually stick out a bit, look. So you can sort of see it's 3D. But yeah, there's some bits like the little tail there, look, needs sticking down. But it says let the main of it sit for at least an hour before you mess about with anything. But yeah, at the moment I'm impressed by this. Anyway, let's do the back one and see what it looks like. So there you go. What do you think? Put a comment and let me know what you think of them. From a distance, like I said, they look fantastic. But yeah, they're all done. Be interesting to see how long they stay on there for. So I might leave the tyres on for a bit and just have a few rides with it just to see what occurs, see if they fall off. Be interesting, won't it? Anyway, it's only a short one, just showing you how I was going to put them on. But anyway, stay safe out there and get out and ride.